Hello, my name is Natalie, and I work for Glassroots, a New Orleans-based nonprofit working to expand access to recycling and provide quality environmental education opportunities for all New Orleans residents. Together, and with the Center for Economic Sustainability and Development, or CSED, we applied for the NOLA grant to create a youth fellowship opportunity that also addresses localized flooding and bolsters green infrastructure in the lower 9th Ward. The idea is to have youth fellows create, place, and maintain storm drain filters in an effort to stop debris from entering catch basins, causing flooding, and polluting our waterways. During the project, fellows will learn how to sew with the assistance of Rick Rack, another partner, and elderly residents of St. Maurice, with the hope of facilitating intergenerational connections. So far, we have engaged multiple partners to donate services and supplies. We have analyzed city data to determine which areas need filters the most, gathered needed supplies, created outreach materials, and have begun recruiting fellows. Our goal is to build and place 100 filters with a group of 5 to 6 fellows. So far, we have achieved all foundational steps, and once we have recruited our fellows, we will begin building the 100 filters. Our platform alignment is economic stability. 83% of the allotted grant will be used to compensate fellows for their work at a rate of $16 an hour, the living wage amount for New Orleans. CSED has been able to secure funding to expand this project beyond the first 100 filters and provide continued economic opportunity and stability for youth. The financial impact of the grant has been quite successful. The funds provided have been used to purchase the supplies to make the filters, and the remaining funds, 83% of the budget, will be used for stipends for fellows. Getting this grant has been immensely helpful in making this project possible. I think the biggest challenge of this project has been balancing partners' timelines with the grant timeline, as we are a bit behind in implementation. All partners are invested in this project and seeing it through, and we are all kicking things into gear. In the future, I want to be clear about timeline and purchase supplies first thing upon receiving funds. The top wins of this project are that CSED has gotten funding to continue it after the NOLA grant and employ more youth. We created an interactive map showing the lack of maintenance on storm drains/catch basins in the lower 9th and city in general. And we engaged a service learning engineering class to help test different factors of the filters and make sure they are safe to put in our environment. There are countless benefits to youth-led change, and the ones that have impacted me the most throughout this process are how inspiring and connected youth-led change is. Hearing about all the other grantees' work has helped fuel this project, and everyone we have reached out to has been super receptive and ready to jump in on our project. Similarly, I've observed such benefits to youth-led grant making. Through the whole process, I have felt taken seriously, and that the grantors believe in the ability for all of us to lead a successful project. That is not always the case with grants run by older folks. I just want to say thank you so much for engaging with this, and thank you, NOLA, for funding our project.